Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to learn how to install Xcode on macOS. But you might be thinking, why do we need to have a video about it? Can't I just go to App Store and install it? Yes, you can. So that's the one way. But there are actually three ways you can install your Xcode on your macOS, and we are going to go through them one by one. First thing what you do is you go to App Store app on your Mac OS. Then you go to search and then you say Xcode. And then from here you can install it. There is another way you can do, which is much faster, which is using your most favorite tool, which is Homebrew, to install a package which is called Xcodes. And once you install this package, or you can install an app for this one, but I prefer command line most of the times. And then it's a pretty straightforward command. You install brew install xcodes, and then you just install the version of the xcode that you want to install. It takes care of everything for you, downloading the xcode, unzipping it, and then moving it to the application. So you just sit and relax and your xcode will be ready in no time. This is the fastest way to do it. So that's the second way. What's the third way? So if you see my screen, which I have open here on the start screen, there's something special here about this icon, which says beta. So the third way is to install the beta downloads. So what you need to do is you need to go to the developer.apple.com/downloads and then go to applications. And here you can see different applications beta versions which you can download, and then from here you can download the Xcode version that you want. So it has the 14.3 beta, and it also has the 14.2, which is a full release that you will get from your App Store. So guys, yes, those are the three ways you can download the Xcode. And once you download the Xcode, then move to the second video where we are going to start creating new project, and I will introduce you to the layout of the app and what are the different components when you create a new project. Thanks for watching.